much. Congratulations. The cup run continues. Can I ask you for your reaction to that one?
I'm very pleased. It's a tough place to come. You know, they pressed really high in the first half, caught us out a little bit, but I thought we grew into the game and deserved the victory. Obviously, they had a couple of chances towards the end, but it's a big day for us. Important win, you know, on the journey this club's on. You know, we've made another statement. We've come to a really good, solid First Division club and won the game. You know, credit to Shrewsbury though. I thought they made it like a real cup tie. It was a hard game, and we had to dig really deep at times. But the lads have played well today. You know, we've controlled possession at times when it was on. I thought first half, when they were pressing us high at the pitch, we probably had to go into Fletcher a little bit earlier. And second half, I thought we got the balance a lot better in our play.
I want to ask you about the pitch as well, because I know how you like to play wide at times. Did it take some time to adjust to a more narrow pitch today?
Not really. I think it was a bit spongy because of all the rain we've had, and it was, I think it caught the lads out a little bit. But listen, it's the same for both teams, and it's always going to be a tough, tight cup tie. There's a lot of stake in terms of pride between you know, Shrewsbury and Wrexham today, because the local derby, a lot of history, and there's a lot of stake, and you could see that in the way the game was. But credit to the lads, they kept the cool, kept the calm, kept 11 on the pitch, which was really important.
In the hat now, though, for the fourth round, what does that mean?
Yeah, no, it means so much because we've got a great tradition at the club in terms of FA Cup tradition. I always remind the lads that it's very, very important that we represent that tradition in the right way, and we've done that today. We did it last year, and now we can enjoy the cup draw on Monday night.
Absolutely. I'm going to let you go and see your boys now, but many, many congratulations.
Thank you. Cheers.